Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today's video is about candle decoration as the festivals are around the corner, so I thought to do the makeover of my old candles. Stay connected till the end, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon for more videos in future. So let's start the video. Here I want to tell you that I did spray painting on the candles. My idea was something else, but it did not work. Changed my idea and now wrapping silk cloth on it. Candles have a slippery surface, so it's really difficult to stick anything on it. So in the second candle I am using coffee stirrer. So second candle is ready. Now I am doing the third candle makeover. So here I am using the fruit foam mat. So my third candle is also ready. Now I am going to make fourth candle, and here I am using a carry bag. Actually the print of this bag I liked very much, so I thought to use this bag to wrap the candle. So the four candles are ready. I hope you like the video, and please comment on the comment box. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care and have a good day.